Hello friends, today we will learn about how to calculate the cube of two digit numbers. I have made 4 cases in order to make it simple for you people. So let's look at our cases one by one. The first case in which the number starts with 1. For example, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and so on. The second case is the number that ends with the 1. For example, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61 and so on. Third case is when both the digits are same, that is 11, 22, 33, 44, 55 and so on. Next and last case is fourth case in which both the numbers are different, that is 23, 24, 43, 84, 48, 74, 29, 92, whatever it is. So let's look at it minutely. Here is the first case when the number starts with 1. So let's take an example of 12. We have to find the cube of 12. What simply we have to do, we have to write this 1 and 2. Then after we have to write the square of 2 here, that is 4. Then we have to write the cube of 2, that is 8 over here. Then we have to exclude the first and last position. Then after we have to write the double of this 2, that is 4 on its below, and double of this 4 on its below, that is 8. And then after simply we have to add it. This is 8, 4 plus 8 it becomes 12, carry 1, 4 plus 2 plus 1 it becomes 7, and this is 1. So friends, here is our answer. The cube of 12 is 1728. Isn't it simple? Let's take another example, that is 13. 13 cube we have to find. Similarly, 1, 3, the square of 3, it is 9. Then the cube of 3, that is 27. We have to exclude first and the last digit. Then double of 3, it becomes 6. Double of 9, it is 18. So now we have to take some precaution here. What precaution we have to take? We have to take precaution while adding these numbers. So here this 27, we will write only 7 here, and we will write only 7 here, and we will give this 2 to carry here. So this 2 will be here. So 9 plus 2, it becomes 11, and 11 plus 8, it becomes 19. So 9 and 1 carry here. 1 becomes 2, and this whole 2 will go to carry here. So it becomes 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 2, that is 11. And this 1 plus 1 becomes 2. So our answer is 2197. It is nothing but the cube of 13. Isn't it a very simple and short trick? You may also try for another examples like 14, 15 and many more. So let's move to our second case. That is the number ends with 1. We have to do the same thing over here. Suppose the number is 21. In this case, we have to go in a backward direction. We have to write number like this 1, 2, similarly the square, that is 4, again the cube, that is 8. Similarly, we have to exclude the first and last position. We have to make double, that is 8 and 4 for the 2. Then we have to just simply add these numbers, that is 1, 6, 12 carry 1, it becomes 9, and this is nothing but the cube of 21. My dear friends, I'm telling you, if you are going to solve it by direct multiplication, I'm damn sure that it will take at least 2 to 3 minutes of you. And if your calculation are faster, then hardly 1 minute it will take. So this is the very simple trick for calculating the cube. You may also try for another number like 31, 41, 51, likewise. So let's move to our next case, that is case number third. In this case the digits are same. For example, 11, 11, 22, 44, 33, likewise. So let's start with 11 being the smallest number cube. Okay, so what we have to do, first of all we have to write the cube of a single digit. Single digit, that is 1, its cube is 1. We have to write 4 times 1 1 1 1. Similarly, exclude the first and last position, make it double, and simply add it. It becomes 1 3 3 1, and it is nothing but the cube of 11. Isn't it a very simple trick? Let's take one more example of it, that is, let's move with 22. 22 cube. What we have to do, the repeating digit is 2, so we have to write the cube of 2 4 times. It is 8 8 8 8. Then after exclude the first and last position, double it, it is 16. Here also it is 16. Simply add it 8. Then 16 plus 8, it becomes 24. 4 here, 2 goes to carry. Then 8 plus 2, it becomes 10. 10 plus 16, it becomes 26. 6 here, 2 goes to carry. 8 plus 2, it becomes 10. This is nothing but the cube of 22. So look at this, friend, how simple it is. And you may also recheck by using your calculator and phone. So let's move to our last case. This case is also very simple. Suppose take an example of 23. But listen carefully. Suppose this is the first digit and this one is the second digit. In every case we had got the 4 digit on the upper line. So in this case the upper line will be first cube, then first square multiplied by second, second digit square multiplied by first into second cube. You just have to remember this thing. I am repeating it once again. Suppose we have a number 23 cube. This is the first digit, this one is the second. What we have to do, we have to write like first cube, first square into second, then second square into first, at the last the second cube. Got it? Just remember what we have to write in the first line. So let's move with the actual example, that is 23 again. Here I, that is first digit is 2, second digit is 3. So according to the formula, first cube, that is 8. Then after that first square into second. First square, that is 2 square, which is equal to 4. 4 into 3, that is 12. The next digit was second square into first. Second square, that is 3 square, that is 9. 9 into 10, 9 into 2, it becomes 18. At the last, the second's cube. the second digit is 3, its cube, it becomes 27. Okay, all right. Similarly, exclude the first and last position. Double it, it becomes 24. Double it, it becomes 36. Then after this 7 here, this 2 goes to carry. So it is here. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 6 here, carry 1. Then after 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. This 5 will go here. And we won't write it here. Remember it. Then this 5 is here, carry. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 4, that is 11. We will write it here. This 1 goes to carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. This 4 will go here as a carry. Then it becomes 4 plus 8, that is 12. So our answer becomes 12167. This is nothing but the cube of 23. Now you just tell me, isn't it a very simple trick? Similarly, we can calculate for another number. Let's take an example of 21. 21 cube. So first digit is 2, second digit is 1. So according to formula, first cube, that is 8. Then first square into second, that is 2 square, that is 4 into 1, that is 4. Then second square into 1, that is 1 square into 2, it becomes 2. Then after second cube, that is 1. Then after exclude the first and last position, then double it, that is 8, and it becomes 4. Then simply add it 1, 6, 4 plus 8, it becomes 12, and plus this carry, it becomes 9261. So friend, here is the end of this video. Hope you liked it a lot. Please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned with me in order to get more and more videos of math trick and general knowledge. So stay tuned. Goodbye.